Just want to show you guys what we have been up to all day. Check that out. The chicken's brand spanking new coop and run. Got some pretty happy chickens. We're gonna get more on Monday. I need at least 6 of them. How fancy schmancy is this? First night famine and second night feast. Let me see if I can open this without the chickies running away. There's their nesting boxes and their food and the roosts for them. We still got to make some adjustments, but this was all built in from last night, and then the rest of today. It's been a ton of work. Never having built anything before. I think my husband did a pretty good job.